In a quiet gas station parking lot on Long Beach Boulevard, 15 years old, boys wrapped bacon around hot dogs and turned a summer experiment into a viral six-figure-plus food business. Meet the twins behind Glizzy Street, the hot dog stand that took over TikTok, Instagram, and the late-night snack scene. While most people were asleep, they were cooking glizzies. While others were dreaming of startups, they built one. Because sometimes the American dream isn't served on a silver platter, it's grilled on a cart at 3 a.m. Chaz and Chase Clemens grew up in Long Beach, California. 15 years old, twins, a massive household, a gas station family business already in motion. They didn't know how to slice peppers or wield a grill when the idea came. They only knew they wanted something different for the summer. Their older brother said, "Let's do something." They said, "Let's grill something." They saved $400. They created a menu. They built a budget. They launched on the 25th of June 2025 outside the family-owned American Oil gas station, serving bacon-wrapped hot dogs for $5 each. They named it Glizzy Street because glizzy is slang for a hot dog, and they wanted something 3 syllables, catchy, and LA street style. The grind began. When most kids were headed to the beach, Chaz and Chase headed to the cart. It wasn't glamorous. 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. Shifts, new menu, long lines, pepper onion sizzle, late night crowd. They learned fast. "At first, I didn't know how to use a knife," one said. Within days, hundreds of dogs sold. Social media kicked in. Their first Instagram video got over 370,000 shares. Followers exploded: 160,000 on Instagram, 61,000 on TikTok, car lines of munchies emerging from the 91 freeway, sweaty crews, smoky grills, bacon drip, sunset glow. And while most of us were doom scrolling, the twins were doom ordering, checking their follower count instead of DMs. They weren't just selling dogs, they were customizing culture. Here comes the turning point. A video reels out. A line forms before they open. People drive from Sacramento and San Diego to taste the glizzy. They had to buy a second cart within a week because demand exploded. This is the difference between looking busy and being busy. The gas station cart, now a live brand. They didn't wait for permission, they did the work. Let's unpack the playbook. 1. Product worth lining up for. Bacon-wrapped dogs, grilled onions, peppers, homemade barbecue sauce, all for $5. Cheaper than most LA lunch joints. 2. Location and foot traffic optimization. Gas station on a major boulevard equals built-in visibility. Late night culture, impulse orders. 3. Branding plus social proof. They leaned into viral early, captured UGC, used authentic personality. 15 years old twins, flipping dogs, rather than polished brand campaign. 4. Operating lean. Family helps behind the scenes, minimal overhead, simple menu. Every dog still made to order. 5. Scalability in sight. They're already talking about partnerships with sports stadiums and expansion. This model screams, find a niche, serve it consistently, and let the culture fuel the momentum. Strengths. Glizzy Street's strengths lie in its razor-sharp niche, bacon-wrapped hot dogs at a gas station in an urban hot dog culture zone. They leveraged social virality, turned teens into entrepreneurs, and made affordability part of their brand identity. Weaknesses. However, the model still relies heavily on foot traffic at a single location, late night hours, and heavy seasoning of youth energy and hype. Scaling could compromise that authenticity and local culture feel. Opportunities. There are major opportunities. Franchising the model outside Long Beach, branded partnerships with stadiums or late-night venues, merch lines, shirts, sauces, and leveraging AI to build fan loyalty and VIP drives. Threats. Threats include viral trends. Fading today's line could be tomorrow's memory. Copycat stands, regulation around street food vending, and dependency on social buzz to keep the lines moving. But if you ask me, the real strength is mindset. The belief that any location can become an empire when the hustle meets the moment. And these twins keep proving it. Here are 4 digital strategies any side hustler can steal. Strategy 1. Instagram Reels and TikTok. Micro moments. Show the first bite reaction, the bacon wrap flip. The line forming at 5 p.m. use. Trending sounds, geotags, Long Beach Boulevard, and push a call to action. Tag your glizzy moment. Strategy 2. Local influencer collabs. Invite local college athletes, DJs, or gamers to buy the first dog of the night and share it. Use stories plus stickers to build live moment urgency. Strategy 3. Story-based email, WhatsApp broadcasts. After someone buys, collect their handle or number and send tomorrow's special, jalapeno glizzy plus free punch. Use AI-generated copy for urgency and personalization. Strategy 4. Community content loop. Feature customers, nightlife scenes, behind the cart shots. Show the hustle. Make the cart feel like an event. The more people see the line, the more they join the line. Because nothing says, "I need this," like seeing 50 people wait for a hot dog while you're scrolling in your PJs. Want to build your own glizzy-style business? Here's how using AI. Step A. Idea validation with AI. Use ChatGPT. List 10 cheap food micro-businesses that thrive on local late-night culture and viral potential. Then filter by cost, foot traffic, photo-worthiness. Step B. Menu plus branding creation. Plug prompts into Midjourney. Create neon street food cart branding for urban youth, warm gold, and deep black palette. Use Canva's magic resize to make menu boards, stickers, social posts instantly. Step C. Social launch stack. Use Descript to auto-generate short clips of your cart in action. First 5 seconds equals "My cart sold out in 2 hours." Then send to TikTok, IG, and YouTube Shorts. Use Zapier or Bardeen to auto-post when you hit X sales or Y followers. Step D. Local lead gen automation. Scrape local nightlife zones and late-night traffic areas. Google Maps API. Feed into a CRM. Send SMS blast. Tonight at 11 p.m. $3 glizzy bonus for the next 50 folks. Use AI copywriters to generate the blast content. Step E. Scaling and ops. Use Airtable to track cost per dog, sold quantity, profit per hour. Use Notion AI to summarize weekly results and pivot menu or hours quickly. Then reinvest profits like the twins did in more carts, more nights, more buzz. Your blueprint is set. The ingredients are simple. The execution is your difference. Chaz and Chase prove you don't need a fancy kitchen, a seed round, or a Michelin rating. You need a place, a product, your people, and your hustle. They sold hot dogs at a gas station not because it was trendy, but because they owned their time, their craft, and their community. So what's your cart in the parking lot moment? What's your glizzy line opener? Now go build something worth the wait.